Start.
Good afternoon, ladies.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
My name is Ali Rasim, an accredited competency assessor of bread and pastry NC2. Before we start, I collect the admission slip. Please raise your hand and call your name and sign out attendance sheet. Maribel, Narcita Bilaos, Mildred Nakota. I have here your police application form and some assessment guide indicating that you can perform all the units of competency enumerated in bread and pastry production in situ. So, everyone, I would like to welcome you in the center of your assessment in bread and pastry production in situ. And the purpose of the assessment is to determine the level of your competency. The qualification for bread and pastry production in situ are the following: basic, common, and the core competencies. For our core competencies, we have to prepare and produce bakery product, pastry production, cakes, and display the within course. The different tasks to be performed in bread and pastry production in situ are bread making, pastry making, cake making, and within course display. To determine your knowledge and skills for bread and pastry production in situ, we use some assessment method for determination, written test, and oral questioning. The method that can help to measure your underpinning knowledge and skills. If you have any religious practices or meditation, please let me know to take place. Don't be hesitant to approach me. And if you have some questions or difficulties in understanding of my instruction, just let me know to instruct. Just raise your hands and to have my attention, and I can more willing to translate it for your better understanding. About asking question is allowed when the assessment has started. Using mobile phone is not allowed during the assessment is ongoing. In case you are not satisfied with the result of the assessment, you can appeal in writing address to an EC manager immediately. The NC or the COC certificate of competency will be issued by the provincial office upon presentation of cards. It has validity period of 5 years. If you are assessed as not yet competent, you may apply for reassessment in your own convenience. Reassessment shall only focus on the specific areas not satisfactorily achieved. However, you shall pay the full assessment fee promulgated by the TESDA board. So, any questions? None. Now let's proceed with the